Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, we're diving into a question that some of you might have. Can I use my iPad to set up an Apple Watch? Let's get right into it. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You cannot use an iPad to set up an Apple Watch. The setup process for an Apple Watch is specifically designed to work with an iPhone. This is because the Apple Watch app, which is essential for pairing and setting up your watch, is only available on iPhones. Without access to this app, it's simply not possible to complete the setup. Additionally, the iPad lacks certain features that are crucial for the Apple Watch to function fully. For instance, some Apple Watch models depend on cellular connectivity, which the iPad doesn't support in the same way as an iPhone. The Apple Watch also relies heavily on the iPhone for many of its core features and settings. This includes things like notifications, calls, and app synchronization, all of which are tightly integrated with the iPhone's system. However, there is a workaround if you really want to use an Apple Watch, but don't have an iPhone as your primary device. You could consider buying a very cheap iPhone that supports the latest iOS. You can use it solely for the purpose of setting up the Apple Watch. Once the setup is complete, you can continue using your iPad and Apple Watch together without needing the iPhone day to day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this cleared up any confusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you guys later.